Okay, so we are halfway home with this set of earrings. Now all we have to do once you get to the end of this video is I've already sealed everything with the Dimensional Magic. I just need to go through and add all the earring backs and findings, and finally it has taken 4 videos to get to the end of the I think it's 14 pair, somewhere between 14 and 20 pair. But anyway, they're all unique, they're all gorgeous, they're all different. You're gonna love them. So here's some snippets. I'm just gonna have some music playing throughout versus all the chit chat and talking, so that way you can just see how I'm doing the designs. But they really came out incredibly gorgeous. figuring out what's gonna be clip on, what's gonna be pierced. So we still have all these left to do as well. And I'm using the Mop Pot Dimensional Magic. So they're gonna be gorgeous. So when I tell you time consuming, this is why you should charge accordingly for your jewelry if you make it. It is a process for sure. These have taken me a week at least just to create. Now you don't have to put gloss on all of them. Like, I'm gonna leave these plain. I think they look really pretty the way they are. I think this pair looks beautiful the way they turned out. So we're gonna leave those alone. And so I have technically 3 more pair to do. We're gonna let them dry and then we'll add all of their earring components. And I can't wait to show you how the other ones turned out